Greetings, welcome to my channel, Roof for my desktop. Today we're doing an unboxing of a Pyle. What do we have here? The Pyle 4-channel speaker selector PSLSW4. This one. Okay. The only thing it said was it was supposedly did not have the plug. So we'll see. And that's the only thing wrong with it. It doesn't seem like it has a plug. It said it doesn't have the plug. I don't see where a plug is supposed to go in on this one. This is just a speaker selector. But it has banana plugs. Okay. We'll see how this thing pans out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 channels, all speakers. We'll see. All right, that's just the unboxing. So we got to connect some speakers to this here and see how this thing plays out. And hopefully everything is functional. You said all it was missing was a power cord, but I don't see where a power cord would go in on this. Anyway, that's the unboxing. PSLSW4. Stand by for the review after I plug this thing up, as long as it's worked. Thanks for watching. Peace.